Video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications. Huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to be playing outside and go under a car. Not really. Today we're going to play with our friend Audie because she ran away. Oh, hello, Snowball. Oh, there you are. Guys, I see her. I hope you heard her. Audie? She ran away again! Gotta be kidding me! So I saw her over here. And now we're basically playing tag. Audie! Come here! Audie! Hello, yes, it's her real name. My real name is Katrina. I'm just kidding. No, it ain't. It's Kitty Girl. I'm just kidding. Okay, my real name is Stella. I guess. You guess my real name. Actually, it's a C-A-T. That's cat, and my name is a trick. Oh, you know, I can't find Audie right now. This is a scavenger hunt. Yeah, no. Oh, there's something. Don't you. Listen. Hey, tough man. Tough. Get your. Okay, guys, I heard her. Sorry, guys. I hear her. Guys, I see a foot. I see feet. Hello? Okay, that was not Audie. What is Audie? Where is Audie? Okay, guys, where Audie is? Oh my! That scared me. Okay, well, not that one. Well, guys, I'm gonna see you until I find her. Tell me, why are you running? Why don't you want to play? Okay, guys, I'm just exploring, actually. We're just gonna have fun exploring. Then, because Audie don't want to. Oh, hi, alien. These are not my cats. I just know them. I know this kitty. His name is Alien. I will post you on YouTube if you don't play with me. Snowball, where are you going? I see Poopy Paprika. Okay, now Audie outside. We're just exploring Mother Nature. Yas. You're so cute. Icy / Snowball. No, Snowball! Don't leave! Don't leave! Where are you going? Okay, we're gonna leave and find out. I wanna get back to you when I find another kitten. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello, Tiger Princess. By the way, these are not my cats. Hi. Yay. Meow, cutie. Okay, guys. I want to find more animals. If you want, you can follow me. We'll see you when I find more animals. Wow. Take your cats and run. Great idea. Okay, guys, we're going to look for more animals. See you in a while. Actually, probably a long time.